Sweet woodruff, Gallium odoratum, is a low-growing perennial herb native to Europe, North Africa, and parts of Asia. Known for its distinctive vanilla-like aroma, sweet woodruff has long been prized not just for its ornamental and culinary uses, but also for its remarkable medicinal properties. Traditionally used in teas, tinctures, and herbal remedies, this herb is rich in bioactive compounds that provide a wide array of health benefits. Here, we delve into the top 10 health benefits of sweet woodruff that make it a valued part of herbal medicine around the world. Number 1. Calms the nervous system. Sweet woodruff has long been used as a natural sedative, thanks to its high content of coumarin compounds. These natural chemicals are known for their calming, sleep-inducing, and muscle-relaxing properties. Historically, herbalists used sweet woodruff tea to treat insomnia, restlessness, and mild anxiety. By acting on the central nervous system, the herb helps promote mental relaxation and emotional balance, making it a natural alternative to pharmaceutical sedatives. Its mild tranquilizing effects can ease nervous tension without leading to dependency, which is why many people use it to enhance sleep quality or manage stress-related symptoms. Number 2. Supports liver health. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxification, metabolism, and overall health. Sweet woodruff contains compounds that support healthy liver function by encouraging the elimination of toxins and promoting bile flow. Some of its active ingredients stimulate the liver's natural ability to process metabolic waste, contributing to better digestion and improved nutrient absorption. In traditional European herbal medicine, sweet woodruff has been used as part of cleansing regimens to support the liver and gallbladder. Regular use of sweet woodruff tea or tincture in moderation may assist the liver in functioning more efficiently, especially in times of dietary excess or after alcohol consumption. Number 3. Acts as a natural diuretic. One of sweet woodruff's better-known therapeutic uses is as a diuretic. By promoting urine production, it helps the body eliminate excess fluids, salts, and toxins. This makes it particularly useful in managing water retention, mild high blood pressure, and supporting kidney function. For individuals suffering from bloating or puffiness due to fluid retention, sweet woodruff can provide gentle relief. Its diuretic properties also indirectly support cardiovascular health by reducing the workload on the heart and lowering the risk of high blood pressure due to excessive fluid in the body. Number 4. Aids digestive function. Sweet woodruff has traditionally been used to support digestion. Its mildly bitter and aromatic properties stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes and bile, aiding in the breakdown of food and the absorption of nutrients. It can help relieve common digestive complaints such as gas, bloating, and indigestion. Additionally, sweet woodruff is sometimes used to treat mild gastrointestinal inflammation or cramping. Drinking a small cup of sweet woodruff tea after meals is a time-tested remedy in folk medicine to calm the digestive tract and support healthy digestion. Number 5. Possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, including arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and autoimmune disorders. Sweet woodruff contains several anti-inflammatory compounds, including flavonoids and coumarins, which help reduce inflammation throughout the body. While not as potent as prescription anti-inflammatories, the herb provides gentle, long-term support for conditions involving chronic inflammation. People with mild arthritis or inflammatory bowel issues may find that incorporating sweet woodruff into their routine brings relief. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory nature supports the healing of minor injuries and tissue damage when applied topically. Number 6. Supports cardiovascular health. Sweet woodruff can be a gentle ally for heart health. Its anticoagulant and vasodilatory properties improve blood flow and may help prevent the formation of small blood clots. By relaxing blood vessels and promoting circulation, sweet woodruff helps lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular complications. The coumarins present in the herb play a major role in this function, as they help keep blood from becoming overly thick or sticky. Although not a substitute for blood pressure medications, sweet woodruff can complement a heart-healthy lifestyle when used in moderation and under medical guidance. Number 7. Promotes wound healing. Used topically, sweet woodruff has mild antiseptic and astringent properties, making it helpful for treating minor wounds, cuts, and skin irritations. When made into a poultice or added to salves, it can help disinfect wounds, reduce swelling, and promote faster healing. Its astringent action also makes it useful in managing small amounts of bleeding and closing minor skin abrasions. Historically, herbalists applied crushed sweet woodruff leaves directly to bruises and insect bites to calm irritation and speed recovery. Today, it remains a valuable ingredient in natural skincare and first aid products. Number 8. Eases menstrual discomfort. Sweet woodruff may offer relief for women who experience painful or irregular menstrual cycles. Thanks to its antispasmodic and calming properties, it can help ease uterine cramping and lower back pain associated with menstruation. It also supports overall hormonal balance by calming the nervous system and reducing stress, both of which can contribute to hormonal fluctuations. Drinking a cup of sweet woodruff tea during menstruation may help reduce pain and bring a sense of relaxation during an otherwise uncomfortable time. Though not a primary treatment, it can be a useful part of a natural approach to menstrual health. Number 9. Acts as a mild antimicrobial agent. The essential oils and phytochemicals found in sweet woodruff have demonstrated mild antimicrobial activity in various studies. This makes the herb effective at inhibiting the growth of certain bacteria and fungi. While not strong enough to replace antibiotics, sweet woodruff can help prevent infections when used as part of a preventive strategy. This property is particularly helpful when the herb is applied to the skin or consumed regularly as tea to maintain general immune system function. Its antimicrobial actions contribute to its use in natural oral hygiene products and herbal mouth rinses, helping to reduce bad breath and gum irritation. Number 10. Offers antioxidant protection. One of the most valuable contributions of sweet woodruff to health is its antioxidant content. The plant contains a variety of flavonoids and phenolic acids that neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that contribute to cellular aging and damage, and are associated with many chronic illnesses, including cancer and neurodegenerative diseases. By scavenging these harmful molecules, sweet woodruff supports overall cellular health and helps maintain youthful function in tissues and organs. Including antioxidant-rich herbs like sweet woodruff in your diet may contribute to longevity and a reduced risk of chronic disease over time. While sweet woodruff has many health benefits, it's important to note that its coumarin content, though beneficial in small doses, can be toxic in high amounts. Consuming large quantities of sweet woodruff, especially in concentrated extracts or supplements, may lead to liver toxicity or interfere with blood clotting. As such, it should always be used in moderation and avoided by individuals taking blood-thinning medications. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should also avoid using sweet woodruff without medical supervision. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any herbal remedy. Sweet woodruff is far more than just a fragrant ground cover or a flavoring for traditional beverages. This humble herb has a long and respected history in herbal medicine, and modern science is beginning to validate many of its traditional uses. From calming the nervous system and supporting liver health to promoting wound healing and offering antioxidant protection, sweet woodruff offers a wide range of gentle yet effective health benefits. As with any herbal remedy, the key to safely benefiting from sweet woodruff lies in responsible and informed use. When integrated thoughtfully into your wellness routine, this aromatic herb can serve as a valuable ally in promoting balance, healing, and vitality in daily life. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.